Hey guys, let's take a look at this Leviton grounding plug. It's pretty easy to use. You just need to open here to pass the cable for your extension cord, for example. And then you just need to open this part here as well to insert the cables. So in total, that'll be 5 screws, 3 here and 2 on the top. And you can insert the wires, right? Let me just remove here so you see it. Here, there's the location for wire number 1, 2, and 3. You're gonna put here the neutral, and then the hot and the ground, right? And you're good to go here. And here on the top, you just need to remove this part. Let me just finish removing here. And then you pass the cable, right? So super simple. Gonna pass the cable through here, and you see that it can't just hold the cable in place when you put the screws here. Okay, you pass the cable, connect here to the plugs, and then you put back into place like this. And then you close here on the top as well. And there you have it, right? So super simple. And this works with 125 volts and 15 amps. I hope that helps. You can get this on Amazon. I'll leave the link here in the description. And if you like this video, please subscribe, give your a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.